Let's break down one of the most critical topics at the intersection of finance and technology: AI crypto trading bots. We're going to cut right through the hype and analyze the operational truth of automated profits as we look ahead to 2026. What if I told you that there are people making consistent moves in the crypto market, not by burning their eyes out staring at charts all day, but by leveraging technology to do the heavy lifting for them? That's the dream, isn't it? The idea of generating returns from a market that literally never closes, even when you're completely logged off? See, this isn't about gut feelings or trying to time the next big market swing. It's about using a system, an AI-powered bot, to execute a specific strategy with perfect discipline. So the real question is, does this stuff actually work, or is it all just hype?
Okay, let's dive in. Here's our game plan. We'll tackle the promise versus reality. Then we'll break down exactly how these bots operate. I'll walk you through a beginner's setup guide. We'll talk hard numbers on the reality of returns, look at a smarter strategy for 2026, and wrap up with the 3 biggest mistakes you absolutely have to avoid.
All right, first things first. Let's get right to the heart of it and separate the wild marketing claims from what's actually happening on the ground. This is the question on everyone's mind, right? And the short answer is yes, they absolutely work, but probably not in the get-rich-quick way you've seen on social media. They work when you use them as a tool with the right strategy and, most importantly, realistic expectations.
And this is where the picture gets clear. The hype sells you a fantasy. Guaranteed profits, no risk, turning pocket change into a fortune. The reality for professionals is that these bots are powerful tools. They're for generating supplemental income, automating your risk management, and testing strategies without emotion getting in the way. So, to really understand what these can do, we need to pop the hood. What actually makes an AI bot different from the older, simpler versions? At its core, an AI crypto trading bot is software that uses artificial intelligence to scan enormous amounts of market data, find potential patterns, and then execute trades on your behalf. Its number one job is to take the emotion, the fear, the greed, completely out of the equation. And this is where you see the huge leap forward. Traditional bots are rigid. They just follow simple if this, then that rules. But AI bots, they can actually learn from market data and adapt their strategy on the fly as conditions change. That dynamic adjustment is the entire game changer.
Okay, so let's say you're interested. How do you actually get started without making a costly mistake? Let's walk through a very simple, practical roadmap.
It really boils down to 3 key steps. First, pick a major, reputable exchange. Think Coinbase, Binance, the big names. Second, find a bot platform that has a rock-solid reputation for security and transparency. And third, and listen, this one is absolutely non-negotiable, start with paper trading. Test your strategy without risking a single real dollar.
Now, when you're in that testing phase, what should you focus on? Keep it simple. Strategies like grid trading and dollar-cost averaging are great starting points. Always, and I mean always, use low leverage, or even better, none at all. And maybe consider starting with stablecoin pairs just to keep volatility to a minimum.
And now, the section I know you've been waiting for, the money. Let's talk about realistic profit expectations and tackle that viral question about making a living off this. This question is everywhere. Can you really pull in a consistent $100 a day with a trading bot? Well, the answer depends entirely on 2 things: your capital and your appetite for risk.
Okay, perspective is everything here. Let's look at the numbers. Trying to make $100 a day with just $1,000 in capital, it's extremely unlikely without taking on the kind of risk that could wipe you out in an instant. At $5,000, it's possible, but very aggressive. Once you get to $10,000 or more, hitting a 1% daily return to reach that goal becomes mathematically realistic. But it still carries a very high level of risk. Remember, bots improve your efficiency. They don't magically erase market risk.
So what's next? To really succeed in 2026 and beyond, you have to evolve past the basic stuff and understand where the technology itself is headed. These are some of the strategies the pros are using. Things like trend following, which rides a market's momentum, or mean reversion, which bets that prices will return to their average. These are battle-tested models from traditional finance, and AI just gives them incredible speed and precision in the crypto markets. And looking ahead, the best platforms are going to get even smarter. They'll use things like reinforcement learning, where a bot actually learns from its own trading history. They'll pull in on-chain data and even analyze social media sentiment in real time to make more informed decisions. And finally, let's cover what not to do. This is critical.
Automation is a multiplier. It multiplies discipline, but it also multiplies mistakes. Avoiding these 3 pitfalls is everything.
Mistake number 1, using too much leverage. Yes, leverage magnifies your wins, but it magnifies your losses even faster. It is the single quickest way to blow up your trading account, and a bot will execute that mistake for you with ruthless efficiency.
The second mistake is having no risk management. This means you're not setting stop losses or defining how much you're willing to lose on a trade. Without those guardrails, you're not using a tool, you're just driving a car with no brakes.
And the third and final mistake, falling for the scams. Look, any person, any platform, any bot that promises you guaranteed profits is lying to you, period. There is no such thing in any financial market. You have to approach this space with a healthy dose of skepticism.
So let's end on this note. AI bots are incredibly powerful tools, but they are not magic. They're not a printing press for money. The real, sustainable edge in this game doesn't come from the fanciest bot. It comes from your commitment to education, your discipline to stick to a strategy, and your absolute control over your risk. At the end of the day, that is the real truth.